In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to upload high-quality videos on Twitter. Uploading a high-quality video can make your content pop and attract more viewers. Let's get started. First, open the Twitter app on your device and tap on your profile picture icon in the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap on Settings and Support, and then select Settings and Privacy. Once you're on the Settings page, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Accessibility, Display and Languages. From there, tap on Data Usage. If your data saver is turned on, you'll need to disable it. Simply toggle off the switch next to Data Saver. After that, tap on High Quality Video and choose your preferred option, either only on Wi-Fi or on cellular or Wi-Fi. By following these simple steps, you can easily upload high-quality videos on Twitter and engage your audience with stunning content. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions about this process, drop them in the comments below. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and have a great day.